Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Kerala. Hope you all are doing well. Got a bit busy with family and other engagements, hence the delay in publishing new video. This video was taken when we had gone to Calicut for a stayover at my brother-in-law's house. You might know about our venture, findestate.in. Let me show you our office. It's not just for Find Estate, it's also for Trolley Inn, which is an online supermarket. If you're in Calicut, you might know about it already. I had done a video and a reel on this a month back. Shall link that video in the description box so that you know more. Soon after getting out from there, we went to their apartment. Femi was preparing a pudding for serving us later. This need to be chilled. We had already informed her not to cook anything as we are mainly coming for food exploring and wanted to roam around in Calicut city. Calicut is famous for food and there's lot of eat out options. I mainly came here for a traditional snack, stuffed mussels, locally called kalammakkai nirachadu. I just love the snack so much that I can have it limitless. We didn't want to fill our tummy with just this, so we ordered everything we explored in moderation so that we could taste many. Next walking, we reached Chaat Corner, and this is nothing traditional for the place we are in, but here we had very tasty papri chaats and pani puris. Next was the best. We call this Kulki Sharbat. One pineapple and the other raw mango. It's a sweet and spicy, very refreshing drink made by vigorously mixing the ingredients in a shaker. Later we went to have momos from the shop and kunafa from the next shop, which I forgot to take a video. When both were ready, it was like attack the food or you won't get it. We were almost full, that's why we didn't order one for each, so it was one plate for all. Later went for a movie and then back home. Morning walk was very relaxing. Kids were asleep and we went to have the famous banana fritters with beef. Weird combination, but it's very delicious. The banana fritters were really crispy and the beef had a very different flavor. Calicut beach is very famous, and after getting back home, we both took a walk nearby their apartment. Later went back home after having Femi's delicious chill pudding. On the way, went to our friend's home. There was some shopping to be done, and a major one was at Mall of Gardens. Had some planned shopping for our shop, Ice Mug. As my husband had some work, he dropped me at this place. To be honest, this is not just a mall of gardens, it's a world of gardens, I would call. So much area to cover and so many plants you get to see here. Had heard about this shop from friends and relatives residing in Calicut, have been looking forward to shop from here from a long time. As soon as I entered this room, I saw this offer going on. They have these 5 plants they sell for just 999 rupees. It's 999 offer. The main reason why I'm showing you all about them is because I know I have so many viewers outside Kerala, and their best part or the highlight I would say is that they transport all over India. Not sure if they do it outside India, you will have to check with them. I shall provide their contact details and their website details in the description box for any purchases. If you're residing anywhere in India, you can definitely purchase from their website. There's a way down and you see so many varieties for indoor plants. I recently went through their website and was really surprising to see that they don't just sell plants, but they educate you on the plants that you have indoor or outdoor, the needs of each plant and how to take care of those plants as well. And that's really amazing. You can learn more, especially if you're a beginner in gardening. Not just indoor plants, they have so much to give you for your front yard or backyard of your home. I know it might be a bit boring for those who aren't interested in gardening, but anyone would fall in love with plants after you visit this place. If you're a total beginner in gardening, you must visit their store to check out. And if you're not in Calicut, don't worry, do visit their website and purchase few to start. And not just plants, they have huge varieties in plant pots of different sizes, different shapes, different materials and such. I love hanging plants, and this is something cute I found. They had this ceramic hanging pots and looked really lovely. They even have stands to place pots. And so many accessories, the tools and equipments you need for gardening, the medicines you need for your plants to grow well, and so many. All these you can find in their website as well. If you're looking to gift a plant for someone, they have this special box you can place a plant and give. Have you seen a plant that costs 1 lakh? If not, this is a plant of that range. They have price ranging from the bottom to the top. And it's surprising that everything is at wholesale price. And later I came for selecting plants for our shop. These are few cute plants I found to place on each table. Needed few more and finally selected after so much confusion. Had it been for our home, it would have been easy as I will be buying a lot of them. But as it's for our shop, had to be selective. They are even experts in landscaping. Trees bearing fruits are also available. So if you're looking for getting your front yard and backyard beautifully arranged, you may contact their team to do it right for you. Do not forget on the offer going on there, that's 999 offer. The plants I selected are in their respective pots I chose to be in. It was late and on the way back home, I stopped at our ice cream shop to drop in the plants. Few already placed. So that's all for today's video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you with another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.